Alright, now we're back. My hair is a wreck. I probably should fix that, shouldn't I? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are in my closet today for another episode. And yes, there's stuff next to the bed because I cannot figure out how I want to talk. If you're here, then you know that I'm sick and I'm way more congested than yesterday because yesterday is when I filmed the other video. I'm kind of doing these when I feel like it and I'm gonna post them like weekly, something like that. But the whole Marie Kondo way of tidying up, of organization, of all that shit is inspiring me and I want to do more. So today we're just gonna go through a couple more drawers. I don't really want to tackle these yet. These are gonna be a whole thing and I really want to be 100% better to deal with that, as well as my underwear drawers and my socks and my bras. I already did my bras yesterday. I was like, oh, because I was putting my laundry away and also kind of decluttering it, even though a lot of it was and is already clothes that I wear on a daily basis, that I wear to work all the time, that I wear around. So I didn't really do much decluttering except for bras. I got rid of like 4 or 5 bras, which is not like me. So there's that. We are going to go through my tank top drawers, which are all right over here, which you can't see, but I organize all of my, I don't have a dresser anymore because David uses the dresser and I gave my old furniture to my mom. So we have my mom's furniture. It's a thing. Well, now it's ours. All of my clothes are in plastic drawers, as you can see. So we're just going to go through them and do the same thing as yesterday and see where it goes. I'm literally only doing these 3 drawers because I'm going to start with the bottom drawer, which is all in my computers right here too, because I was watching Gabby's cleaning her closet video again for like the 3rd time. I got really inspired after seeing the results of all of this hanging. I was like, yes, we're gonna keep going. All right, so this is all of my cami tank tops. The ones I usually wear these under clothes when I go to work, layering them up in the winter when it's cold out. So I do wear a lot of the same stuff. So this part's probably not gonna be that exciting, but I just have a regular black cami from Walmart. I still wear it, still looks good. I just folded and put all these away. These are the Time and True camis brand that David got me for Christmas, and I do wear these, all the gray and black. I'm mostly like a non-color fan of camis. Like they gotta be gray, they gotta be black. I don't really like to wear, but this one's blue. I do wear blue too. We're gonna keep you. This one, I don't really wear it. This is just like a weird green color. It's kind of nice, but I don't really like it that much. Same with this one. This was a padded, kind of had like a built-in bra situation, but not a very cute one. So that one's going because I can't stand it. And I tried wearing it to work and the kids just kept... I have this shirt, which I love so much. It's from that little makeup PJ set I got from Primark. And it says selfie kit, but I don't really wear it and it's kind of tight. All right, fine, goodbye. We have a now dip dyed yellow Time and True cami. You can tell because a lot of these I feel like shrunk. This one's got like a tinge of pink to it. This is, oh, this should go in the PJ other tank top. This just says Mrs. Always Right because I am. Then we have this one, which is just a really ugly color. These are Aldi's camis, which I do like them, but they are very thin quality-wise. This one I love. Oh, this is, I'm gonna hang this one up. This is like a special occasion cami. It has like a lining underneath it, and it's like, you know, lacy, but it's got a lining, so, you know, you can't see anything. Oh, I'm hanging this up. Hanging that one up. And then finally, this one is a pink one that I really like. Again, it's a light color. It shows all my imperfections. So you can go bye-bye. I know that whole Marie Kondo way of folding. We'll do it after. I'm not doing it right this second. I think it's like folding 3 times or something like that. As you guys can see, that's all the camis I have left right now. I do have more that are dirty that I still gotta get washed. So there's that. All right, next we have all of my tank tops, my ribbed tank tops, that sort of thing. I wear a lot of these mostly for working out, so I did mostly wear these when I work out, but I always go towards black or gray. Again, I don't know why. I think I'm just getting older and I'm kind of over light colors and a lot of funky looking things, so I'm gonna say goodbye to this because I don't really reach for it. I have this one, which is like, I can keep this one. It's like a black and gray marled situation. I like how my dad's jacket's just right here. Hi, hello. We have this tie-dye one. You guys remember when I did my Walmart haul and I hauled this and I was like, oh my god, these are great to work out in, and they are, but not anymore. Same with this one. This one's gotta go. This is like my little American flag one. I would always wear these to sleep in too. Like I wear a lot of my clothes, like mostly my tank tops and my t-shirts, a lot of different ways. Like I'll wear some of these lounge ones like out, but I'll wear them at home or wear them to bed. Clearly, as you guys can see, I'm in one of my t-shirts that I threw on yesterday. And we have a couple of them that I don't know why I don't wear these. These are from Target. They're Morona brand. They don't have any ribbing to them, but they're just like a tank top. You know what? We're gonna get rid of that one because I just decided that No, I think I will keep this one. Then I have one that's in maroon as well. Sammy just said you don't wear it. I love the fabric though. I think they're very nice material, and they do look semi-decent on me. I couldn't find men's tank tops. Here's my thing. I like to wear tank tops that are long, that are comfortable, that are not tight and restricting. A lot of camis and tank tops I find at Walmart, Target, Kohl's, you name it, are very short-ish. Like, it's giving me like 90s, like middle school vibes, like those girls that wear the extra small t-shirt, even though they are not an extra small, and you can see some of their skin between their low-rise jeans and their shirt. That kind of vibe, and I don't deal with that. I like them nice and long and loose and comfortable, and I always buy my clothes a little bit bigger now, just because I want to be comfortable. And I'm kind of over trying to like be like, I'm a size medium, I'm a size large. Like, no, I'm whatever I can fit into at this point. Like, I really don't care. So I couldn't find any tank tops that were long enough, that were comfortable enough. I ended up buying a pack of men's tank tops, and I do wear them. The only bad thing is they do stretch out on me quite a bit, but I think that that's just the way that they're made. So these ones are Hanes, I think. Does this say Hanes on it? Yeah, this is an extra large, and they're very long and loose and comfy on me. So I do have a few of these gray ones that I wear quite a bit. And of course, if any of my guy friends, which I don't really have many guy friends, but if any of them need a tank top, like if you fit an XL, I got you. And then I've got this light gray one that I do wear a lot, but it's kind of getting gross around the armpits, so I think I'm gonna part with you. Goodbye. This one, oh my god, you guys, like OG. I have some OG like Victoria's Secret pink tank tops in here. Like this gray one, like hello. I wear this one all the time and I love it, so I'm keeping it. If you guys hear a dog yapping, my neighbor got a new dog. It's the most irritating thing ever. Oh, wow. I forgot I bought these. That's so embarrassing. I got a couple of these scoop neck tanks from Walmart, and they're very loose and spandexy. They were $3.92 a piece apparently, and I still have yet to wear them, so we're gonna wear them. Wow, that's really embarrassing. I hate it when I do that. My mom does it too now. It's awful. But fun fact, so here's another one. I did buy 2 of them, I think, from when I had my day off. I think I bought these for a couple weeks ago, and I just threw them in here, and I haven't worn them yet. And then I just have all the rest of the black. Oh wait, this is the Victoria's Secret one I wear a lot. These 2 are just the black men's tank tops, so I will continue to wear those. That's what we're looking like. That's crazy. I do have a little pile there. That's insane to me. But I don't know if I've talked about it in my videos before. I feel like my shopping problem, my mom is also kind of have one now, and my sister, but kind of also stemmed from my grandma. No offense to her. I remember when I was little, like, she would always take me and my mom to the mall, and we'd always go shopping, and she was always like buying us stuff, and like Christmas, she always did Christmas big, and so did my mom for me before my sister came along and everything. And like before she got sick, she was just like, she always was buying stuff, and I feel like subconsciously that's rubbed off on all of us, and now I'm just kind of trying to like nip it in the butt, but it's still a struggle. I mean, I'm not going to a store every day and spending $100, so that's a good thing, but I still have a way to go, and I do still love Jeffree Star, and I love makeup, and I think that's where, and I do love like cheap clothes, so I think that's where my downfall is, but you know, work in progress. Okay. This is the last drawer. These are all of like my loose tank tops that you guys have seen in other declutter videos. They just made their new home in here, and I have a lot of them, so I'm not sure if I want to put some of these up here as loungewear. I think I might, depending, but a lot of them I just wear to sleep. So got this one I just recently put away last night. It's just my Victoria's Secret Halloween one. It says hands off, which I think is really cute. I'm keeping you. This one I just put away. It's just a racer back. This is great for working out, actually. I'm gonna put that in the workout one. We have Harley Quinn. I love her so much. She is not leaving me. I'm sorry. She's not leaving me. One that says, I can't even, because like, that's just my life. Literally, I can't even. And I do love to wear this one too. You guys remember when these were like like everyone was going crazy for those tank tops at Pink, and everyone's like, oh my god. And now it's just kind of like, why? All right, I've got this one. It says I'm allergic to studying, which I thought was really cute at the time, but I think I might pass it along, because even though I do have a couple more semesters in school, I feel like it's kind of like childish. Like, like, I'm 26. I'm not allergic to studying. I just don't do it. On Wednesdays we wear pink. I have to keep this one. I love this one so much. So much. I really think I might transfer some of these. I'm not sure. This one, oh, I love, but I never wear. This is my Dreamcatcher tank top that I got from FYE on like a random, oh, I love Dreamcatchers. It's such a pretty shirt too. Never thought that would happen, but it did. Okay. I have this American flag lips tank top that Danielle and I both have the same one because we wore it to Halsey a couple years ago, and it's just so cute. But it is kind of big on me. That's the only bad thing. But I do like to wear it for 4th of July. So we're gonna wait on you for a second. I forgot I have this one. This is a good thing I'm doing this video. Tank top, and it says Monday, and it's a little latte, which is just so cute. Oh my gosh, I want to keep you. I haven't seen a lot of these in forever. This one, oh, this is just a sleep shirt. This is like, this could also be a tank top, but I usually wear this as a sleep shirt. It just says Angel, and I think it is a sleep shirt, but it is kind of big on me now and annoying. I don't know. I don't know yet because I'm thinking about it. Then we have this one, which is definitely like a sleep shirt material, wrinkled, and it says Love Pink 86 on there. These are usually the ones I wear in the summertime. I think this is gonna go to sleep. I have a sleep, yes, this is sleep pile, so that could be a sleep shirt. We're gonna keep the Angel one and make that one a sleep shirt. Some of these I can make into lounge shirts though. I have Nate's shirt because he left it here, and I just keep it in my drawers, and I kind of taunt him, and I'm like, haha, I still have your shirt, and he's like, you're giving it back to me. I'm like, haha, no, I'm not. So this is Nate's Minion shirt that he left here. Well, I guess I'll probably put it back in there. I don't know what to do with that yet. This is from last year. This is Mermaid Bride when I did my little bachelorette weekend. Mermaid Bride. It's so cute. Sleep shirt. Definite sleep shirt. Next we have this. Oh, this is definitely a lounge shirt. I haven't seen this one. Spaced and Confused. Really cute lounge one, and this one actually fits well. You spark some joy. I could always wear something else. Goodbye. All right, this one I have is just a plain, again, this is a workout shirt. Why is this in here? Just a tank top that I can throw on. This shirt I'm keeping for sure because it says I can't adult today. Yes, because I can never fucking adult because I don't know how to be an adult. I'm 26 years old. I don't even think the adults know. I don't even think my mom knows how to be an adult. We're just all living. All right. Next, we have another Halloween shirt. I actually got sold one of my Halloween shirts on Poshmark last year because I just was like, I don't need both of these. This one says, I'm here for the booze. Ha ha ha. It's kind of played out though, so go back. I'm kind of tired of keeping it. Oh, this one's another one of my favorites that my mom got me. It's my little alien tank top with all my alien friends on there. Frankfurt and all his friends. UFO and the moon and everything. You guys know how I feel about aliens and stuff. And it says, I want to believe. Cue the X-Files theme song. Like, God, I gotta start binge watching that again, so I'm keeping this one. I definitely can see some of these shirts being like lounging shirts that I can hang up, even though I kind of don't want to hang them up. And some of them I'll turn into a sleep drawer of like sleep clothes because I have a whole pile on top of one of these plastic things here of just like sleep clothes and sleep t-shirts. So this one's another Halloween tank top I haven't seen in a while. Cute, Halloween-y. This one I'm gonna get rid of because I haven't worn it in so long, and it kind of brings back bad memories from like 3 years ago when David and I were going through some stuff. It says stay positive, be happy, and live free. Really nice loose flowy tank. Haven't worn it. We have a Musquamaket tank top from a few years ago when I went to Musquamaket. I do like to wear this one. I think this is more of like a sleep shirt though. Oh wait, actually, you know what? It's kind of see-through. This one is like a lounge, like I can wear this like as a lounge shirt. It's so wrinkled. This was a free tank with a purchase a long time ago, and it just says love on it and then VS Angel from Victoria's Secret. So this is definitely like a lounging shirt, I would define it as. And then finally, the last one in here, I'm saving for next year, and then I'm going to get rid of it because it is my graduation tank top. It says, the tassel was worth the hassle. As of next spring, 2020, I will have my bachelor's and I'll be done with school. And then I'm going to go back to school to get another degree because I don't want to. And the reason being is because I don't want to be a childcare teacher for the rest of my life, and I've decided this as of working at this job for last year. I'm just like, nah, all done. Like, I'm not doing it anymore. I will go back and do like Marie. I don't really think I should really do her method of folding because I don't have a lot of clothes in here anyway at the moment. Maybe I will, I don't know. But I'm gonna make these piles into, well, I already kind of have some piles here. Figure out what I'm doing with these, and then we're just gonna come back, I guess. So after doing all of that, I have decided to hang up that cami that was like kind of like a nice top that I could like throw a sweater over and like wear out if I ever had to like go out anywhere or go to a special occasion or something. And I've hung up a few of the tank tops over here that in my mind, when I say loungewear, I think you guys probably are like, oh, well, just like wear around the house, wear out. Kind of. In my opinion, loungewear means clothes that I could either like, I could throw one of these on and go to sleep in it. I could throw it on and go out in it. These tank tops, I feel like are worthy enough for like summertime and stuff when it's like a Sunday, or if I'm just like going to go run errands and I don't feel like dressing up, or I just got my period, you know, that kind of thing. Then if I say the word period, am I gonna get demonetized? If I get my monthly cycle, and I don't feel like being pretty, I could just throw one of these on. Obviously the graduation shirt, because I want to wear that next year again. So it's really hard for me to have like a sleep drawer because I wear everything to bed, like sweatpants, I wear PJ pants, my onesies, I wear t-shirts and tank tops, and you know, I'll wear camis to bed, I'll wear my rib tank tops, I'll wear the loose ones, I'll wear stuff in the closet, I'll wear like big baggy t-shirts. Like it just depends on my mood, so I don't really have a sleep drawer. After all of that, I did just decide to get rid of the squat kit. Yeah, I'm sad. This is my little pile that I've gotten rid of from those 3 drawers, which is so shocking, but also very nice and relieving because I have a lot of clothes and I need to go through them. I think I need to make a new goal. Ah! Fuck you.
Sorry?
You fucking scared me.
How?
What do you mean how? I just see someone coming in from the corner of my eye. He just scared the shit out of me. I hate you. As you can tell, Dave is playing Xbox right now while I'm doing this, you asswipe. But anyways, before I was horrified, do want to make a new goal to not purchase clothing, which I can't really do that because I'm always buying clothes. I'm always like finding things. And my goal as far as clothes right now, like purchasing wise, is that I'm trying to find more spring and summery clothes I could wear to work, because I've just been in like my sweaters, my cardigans, my long sleeves all winter time, and my boots, and now we're slowly getting there. So that's the next thing. But yeah, so if you guys want to continue to see this series of me going through my shit and getting rid of it, then let me know down below. If you guys are curious to what's going to happen to that giant pile, I think I already said in the last video, but I am going to have like my friends, my family go through it, and then I'm going to donate it because I'm just over it, and I'm over having that huge box of clothes. Like, nobody needs all that. So with that being said, I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed, and turn on bell notifications so you know when I post a new fucking video, because I don't even know half the time anymore, which is really awful. But we're trying to be a more consistent YouTuber. I would love to be able to quit my job and do this full time again because I make a decent living. Let's be real. I don't know if that day's gonna come, but we're gonna try our best anyway. So yeah, but I love you guys. Don't be an asshole, and I'll see you in my next video.